MSC Apex is a cutting-edge CAE platform that transforms the way FEA and simulation models are developed. Despite its expanding user base, many engineers still rely on outdated and difficult-to-learn tools that can slow down product development. While earlier versions of Apex focused on building FEA models, recent updates have significantly enhanced its simulation capabilities. This overview highlights the technical and commercial benefits of MSC Apex and explains why it should be integrated into your workflow. With its broad capabilities, Apex addresses numerous engineering challenges and will explore key workflows where it offers clear advantages. MSC Apex provides a complete CAE environment, enabling users to build, solve and analyze FEA models efficiently. Apex Modeler supports model creation and result exploration, while Apex Structures offers an embedded solver based on MSC Nastran for solving linear static, dynamic and buckling problems. Users can either work solely with Apex Modeler or combine it with Apex Structures for a streamlined process. For workflows that require advanced MSC Nastran solutions, Apex supports the creation of FEA models, export to Nastran in bulk data format, and re-import of data for results analysis. This is particularly useful in industries like aerospace, where certification mandates Nastran-run solutions. Engineers can verify models within Apex before submitting them for external analysis. Even if your projects require third-party FEA tools, Apex can optimize your model building process. Compared to legacy tools like Answer, FEMAP or HyperMesh, Apex users have reported up to a 10x productivity gain. Apex's common BDF export format and user-friendly interface make it a powerful addition to existing tools like Abacus and Ansys, allowing new users to quickly become proficient. Apex excels at reverse engineering by converting mesh data into CAD models, especially in optimization and reverse engineering applications. Apex transforms STL mesh data into accurate NURBS geometry and can generate updated geometries from legacy FEA models, retaining embedded properties to reduce rework. MSC Apex also serves as the base for emerging technologies like Apex Generative Design, with its structural optimization capabilities, as well as other advanced simulation tools such as Adams Modeler and others currently in development. MSC Apex offers advanced features like CAE-specific direct modeling, generative model updates, and Python-based automation, making model building and updating faster. It also integrates seamlessly with popular CAD software, ensuring consistency between environments. MSC Apex is available as a standalone product or through Hexagon's MSC One token system, which provides flexible and cost-effective access to a variety of simulation tools. Widely adopted in industries like aerospace, automotive and manufacturing, companies such as Boeing and Honda are leveraging Apex's capabilities. We have assisted numerous companies in transitioning to MSC Apex and can support you through the process as well. If you're interested in exploring MSC Apex, a 30-day free trial is available, along with online training resources to help get you started. If you want to take a deeper look into MSC Apex and how it can help you, then please get in touch.